Have you ever wondered how to catch the attention of a younger woman, but found yourself baffled by the do's and don'ts? Today we're going to unravel the truth behind this delicate matter. We'll dive into the nuances of age gap dynamics, breaking down the myths and bringing to light the respectful, effective ways to connect. From understanding generational differences to mastering the art of communication, this video is your guide. By the end, you'll be equipped with insights that go beyond mere attraction. And don't forget, we have a special bonus tip at the end that will really bring everything together. This tip is key to making all these strategies work seamlessly. Make sure to stick around for this essential piece of advice. 1. Confidence and self-assurance. Let's dive into the world of confidence and self-assurance. These are key ingredients in attracting anyone, especially a younger woman. But what exactly does confidence entail? Let's explore this further. Confidence is about being comfortable in your own skin. It's not about bravado or arrogance, but a quiet assurance in who you are and what you stand for. For a younger woman, this quality can be incredibly appealing. It suggests stability, experience, and a lack of neediness. However, there's a fine line between confidence and overconfidence. Crossing this line can turn into egotistic, which is often a turnoff. Self-assurance should be communicated subtly. It's in the way you carry yourself, how you handle situations, and in your ability to listen and engage with her genuinely. It's about being secure enough to show vulnerability, to share your thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment. This level of emotional openness is attractive and shows a depth of character. Remember, younger women are often looking for someone who knows themselves well, someone who can be a pillar of strength and wisdom. By embodying confidence and self-assurance, you present yourself as a potential partner who is not just physically present, but emotionally and intellectually stimulating as well. 2. Respect and understanding. Let's talk about respect and understanding. In any relationship, especially with a younger woman, these are key. But what does it really mean to respect and understand someone younger? Let's break it down. Respect is about seeing her as your equal, valuing her opinions, and acknowledging her experiences, even if they're different from yours. It's crucial not to overlook this just because she's younger. Dismissing her views or experiences can make her feel undervalued and ignored. Understanding is equally important. It's about getting to know the generational gaps that might exist between you two and how these affect her outlook on life. It's taking the time to get where she's coming from, her life stage, and not pushing your own experiences or expectations onto her. This effort shows that you're genuinely interested in her as a person, not just because she's younger. Remember, building a connection based on respect and understanding shows that you're in it for more than just surface-level reasons. It's about forming a bond where both of you feel valued and understood. This kind of foundation is key for a relationship that's both meaningful and lasting, no matter the age difference. 3. Shared interests and activities. Now, let's dive into the world of shared interests and activities. Finding common ground with a younger woman can be a game changer. But why is this shared space so important? Let's explore. Engaging in shared interests and activities is a fantastic way to bridge any age gap. It's not just about having fun together. It's also about creating memories and building a bond that goes beyond the surface. Whether it's a love for music, art, sports, or books, these shared passions offer a window into each other's worlds. However, it's crucial to be genuine in your interests. Pretending to like something just because she does can backfire. It's about finding that sweet spot where your passions genuinely intersect. This sincerity makes the time spent together more enjoyable and meaningful. Remember, shared activities are not just about the activity itself, but about the connection and conversations that happen during these moments. They provide opportunities to understand each other better and to see the world from each other's perspectives. In essence, shared interests and activities are about building a relationship that's based on genuine connection and mutual enjoyment. It's a way to show that you value her company and who she is, creating a bond that's both enjoyable and deep, regardless of the age difference. I hope you're finding this video helpful. If so, why not show your support? Hitting that like button, dropping a comment, or subscribing means a lot. 4. Personal growth and maturity. Let's discuss personal growth and maturity, crucial traits when it comes to attracting a younger woman. Why are these traits so significant? It's time to go in deeper. Personal growth and maturity are about more than just age. They're about your journey in life and how you handle experiences. For a younger woman, these qualities are attractive because they represent wisdom, stability, and a level of understanding that often comes with life experiences. It shows you're someone who learns, evolves, and grows from life's challenges. But it's important to balance maturity with a sense of fun and adventure. Being mature doesn't mean you can't be playful or spontaneous. It's about knowing when to be serious and when to let loose, creating a comfortable and exciting dynamic. Maturity also means being emotionally available and stable. It's being able to handle emotions responsibly and not playing games. This emotional maturity is a strong foundation for a healthy, respectful relationship. 5. Style and grooming. Let's talk about style and grooming. These aspects might seem superficial at first glance, but they play a crucial role in attraction, especially when there's an age gap. So, why is your style and grooming important? Let's take a closer look. Your style and grooming are a reflection of how you view and carry yourself. For a younger woman, it's not just about looking trendy or fashionable. It's about showing that you take care of yourself, which is a sign of self-respect and maturity. It sends a message that you're put together and you value your appearance. However, it's not about overdoing it or trying to dress like someone half your age. It's finding that sweet spot where you're comfortable and your style reflects your personality. It's about being well-groomed, neat, and presenting yourself in a way that's both appealing and authentic. Remember, style and grooming are about more than just making a good first impression. They're about showing that you're up to date and you take pride in presenting yourself well. This attention to detail can be surprisingly attractive and can speak volumes about your character. 6. Authenticity and sincerity. Now let's talk about authenticity and sincerity. In the world of dating, especially with a younger woman, being genuine holds immense value. But what does it really mean to be authentic and sincere? Let's dive in. Being authentic means being true to yourself. It's not about putting on a facade or trying to be someone you're not to impress her. Younger women can often tell when someone is being insincere or playing a role. Authenticity involves being honest about who you are, your interests, and your intentions. It's about showing your true self, flaws and all. Sincerity goes hand in hand with authenticity. It's about the genuineness of your words and actions. It means your compliments come from the heart and your interest in her is real. It's about being upfront about your feelings and not playing games. This honesty creates a foundation of trust and respect. Remember, authenticity and sincerity can't be faked. They're about showing up as your true self and respecting her enough to be honest. This approach fosters a deeper, more meaningful connection. It shows that you value her enough to be real with her. And that's something that truly resonates, regardless of age. Finally, let's jump right into our crucial bonus point: embracing the age difference. This aspect is often overlooked, but incredibly important. Why? Let's take a closer look. Embracing the age difference is about acknowledging and appreciating the unique dynamic it brings to your relationship. It's understanding that the age gap isn't a barrier, but rather an opportunity for diverse perspectives and experiences. It involves celebrating the differences rather than seeing them as obstacles. Every relationship has its own quirks, but by owning them, it becomes an enjoyable and beautiful experience for both the people. This acceptance plays a key role in building a healthy and balanced relationship. It means not getting hung up on the years between you, but focusing on what each of you brings to the table. It's about learning from each other and valuing the unique insights and viewpoints that come from different life stages. However, it's also about being realistic and sensitive to the challenges an age difference can present. It's navigating these with open communication and mutual respect, ensuring both partners feel valued and heard. Now that you know how to get her attention, what's next for you? Discover how to tell if she's checking you out, or learn how to read her body language. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.